Well, handling's a lot easier now. It doesn't necessarily mean it's a lot faster, but for the ease, I can get more cartons done. I've got the guys here longer all day. There's strains on the back, then that's a saving for me. The operation before was that a container would back onto a bay. We'd open the doors and there'd be 4 or 5 lads in the back of the container scrabbling around trying to find different stock numbers and boxes. And then we'd have a pallet within the bay. They'd put the stock on, move the pallet out, put another pallet in to find something else, and that was the system we had. All we've done is move the operation from the container end back into the warehouse with the conveyor belt, so we can put all the stock onto the conveyor belt, feed it down, and then 3 or 4 people with the system can offload off the belt onto pallet. Right, the result of doing it the old way, it did slow us down, it clogged us up. If something weighs, say, 40 kilograms and it's just one thing, then, you know, by hand, after a while, it is hard work and you never seem to end. So obviously the Vaculeft, you know, it's good.
It's much easier. Now I've got my machine and I just take it boxes and using just one hand and 2 fingers, and that's it. Oh, it's not bad because I using just one hand and I don't feel tired after a container. It's very good. No, I don't must use my muscle because I press one button and the machine go automatically down. When I relieve the button, it go up with box. When I put box on the machine, I just press another button and it's relieved.
In the past, if certain containers would come in, the staff would be reluctant to go on these containers because of the weight. But now I have no shortage of people who want to go down the bottom and they're happy to stand there all day and just take the stock off. They're more than happy. Yeah, all in all, it's just a far, far better system. Not necessarily faster, but more efficient and ergonomically for the people doing the unloading.
When you're using Vaculex, can be on a container just one person and stack box on a belt, and 2 guys on the end of the belt stacking boxes on a pallet, and it's take much quicker to do, and we are happy from this machine because it's much easy life.
Obviously, as you get older, it's harder to lift boxes and everything else, but with the aid and the Calogen system, I can keep my guys for a lot longer as a team.